July, it's been, for example, it's the 4th of July, Independence Day. If you're in the US, the time here is just gone 2:15 in the afternoon, GMT 14:17. Today we have had another day of free signals. So anyone that you can see on my screen here, that anyone that was in the free chat arena or subscribed to our Twitter channel or the Facebook page for that matter, would have got free signals today. Now, the reason I'm doing this is just to demonstrate the benefit. So what I'm going to do is go through, we had a fantastic day yesterday, one of the most profitable days I've ever seen. And, you know, that's, by my standards, is saying something. It really was an amazingly good day. So I'm just going to go through those results and then I'm going to show you what happened today. The signals today predominantly good. We've made good money again today, not like yesterday, but yesterday was exceptional. Now, if you aren't already subscribed to the Twitter feed, the YouTube channel, or in our free chat arena that you see here, then what are you waiting for? You would have made a fortune on the signals over the past, or on Monday and today. Yesterday the signals weren't free. I'm only sending them on a Monday and Wednesday so people can get an idea what they're missing out on, really. And then when they come into the paid arena, at the moment we've got a 3-month special offer. And that includes the signals channel, it includes the trading arena, which is already filled with some very competent traders that have been with me for a long time. And of course any live broadcasts and a course as well, which will put you in a position where you really know what you're doing with your trades. This is all about collaborative trading, as I've said many times, and I want to fill it with 100 good traders. You know, whether you're beginner or experienced, you can come into this trading arena and we can share ideas and make sure that we're capitalizing on the best market opportunities day to day. And it just means you can, you know, you don't have to trade alone. Trading can be a very lonely place. Especially if you're not quite sure what you're doing. You know, you may be okay, but you know, you'll question a lot of the things you're doing and you start to doubt yourself and your own strategies. So this is where you can bounce ideas off other people who are experienced, you know, good traders. But if you're a beginner, you can gain that experience from the guys in there, and myself, you know, I'll be available for that as well. So at the moment we have got a special 3-month offer that includes everything, and then after that it will be £79 per month. But right at this stage, you get the course, which is £99 one-off payment, and then it's usually £79 a month, but we're doing 3 months for £249. Okay, so you're basically getting a month free. And to put it into perspective, had you joined us on Monday, you would have already made, if you'd be placed in the same lot size as me, you would have already made over $2,000 profit easily. And there were some other opportunities going through as well, which, you know, there's other guys placing trades on different pairs. So there's loads of things to go at, and anytime you log on, you're going to be able to have a look at really what the best opportunities are at that time. Okay, so I'm just going to open my MT4, and you'll see that I've got 2 trades in place at the moment. And I'll show you where I place these, because this is the first of all, we were following the pound. The pound was very strong this morning, and that dipped off, and then the euro started to take a bit more control. But the fact is, the fluctuations or the movement has been pretty sideways today. So we're sort of, I'm just sitting in there, and you can see we're still in good profit. It's $122 profit as it stands here, but it's been dipping in and out of the money. I still see the overall directional movement as up, and we're just really being patient enough for this to break away to the upside, which I think it will eventually do. So I'm going to show you my workings on this. So it was the Euro GBP, which you just saw there. These are the signals or trades that are live right now. Euro GBP, that's where we entered the trade here. This is on a 5-minute chart. So you can see it's just kind of been up and down, dipping in and out of the money. But overall, certainly to the upside, and the stop loss just sitting there, which is well out of the way. I can't see it dipping back past this point. If we change to a 1-hour chart, you can see that we have got a fib retracement over this. But you can see, sorry, it's better if I show you on a daily chart. There you go. You can see very clearly that this is just hitting a point here where I think it's going to break away to the upside again. Really on this line here, it looks a bit muddled because I've got all my workings there, but it does make sense, and the signal went out, which is very clear what you need to do. But essentially I think it's going to be pushing back up to this point here. And it's the same story with the Euro Aussie dollar. If you change to a daily chart, it was sitting on that trend line for a long, for quite a while there. So it dipped back and has moved back up to it, and I think it's going to carry on breaking to the upside. If we go back far enough, you'll see it is trying to push this new territory up here, which it So, sorry, we just dropped out of the power there, but it's back on. So, yeah, so what I was saying is it's moving into new territory here, which it's started to do. We know that the Australian dollar and the Kiwi dollar are at all-time lows. They really are in very weak positions now, and that means that we can capitalise into these areas that really haven't been seen before. You can see, got to go back a long time to see the Aussie dollar this week against the euro. So we're able to capitalise on that. Previously, the pound we were following earlier, so we made good money on that. Bottom line is these two trades that we've got open are doing pretty well. You can see $70. No, nothing groundbreaking, but they're certainly sitting in profit. And if I show you my account history, we can see here we have had trades that have dropped out, but what I've been doing is just leaving the stop loss very tight. So although we may lose a bit of money on some trades, what we're doing is just being patient enough for this to break away to in the direction that we're predicting, and that does mean sometimes it's entering the trade, letting it hit the stop loss. You'll suffer little losses, but then eventually it will break. If you're patient enough, it will break to the upside. You can get that trade in there as long as it's active, and you can see we've done exactly that here. So this is just today. 391 profit on the GBP USD this morning, $216 profit on gold. Again, I went back in, but I traded it in the other direction. There was over $1,400 profit on that gold trade. One signal, $1,400 profit yesterday. I'm struggling to think of another time that I've done that on one trade, but anyway, it was exceptionally good. We're not going to get that every day, but being part of this trading arena, this trading community, means that you're going to get these opportunities when they arise. And listen, let's face it, if you're getting one of them a month, and then you're sort of, managing to sit in profit for your other trades throughout, and that is done by communicating with other traders that are looking at the markets as well, then you're going to be doing very well out of this, enough to make a living out of it, no problem at all. So this month, just to put it into perspective, this is my profit for this month. Okay, so that's taken into account trades that have dropped out as well, nearly $2,000 in profit, and remember, we're only on the third day of the month. Today is a bit slow as well, but yesterday and Monday we saw exceptionally good good profit, good trades, and we're just there to capture those opportunities when they arise. So what are you waiting for? Do join us. As I say, 3 months all in for £249. The reason why, as you can see, I make very good money from my trades. It's not that I need the money for the trading arena and for what I'm offering. However, it is important that I'm charging for it to make sure that there is some exclusivity to this group, and we haven't just got loads of people that are trying to freeload and get stuff free, or marketing in there, whatever it might be, brokers and so on. That once you get into our trading arena, you're not going to be affected by all the scams, people promising you the earth and not delivering. This is about somewhere where pure traders can come, they can communicate ideas, and they're in a place, and you'll see for yourself. I only have to pull the arena up here, and look at this. These are people that are just in the free arena at the moment. They've got my signals today, and look at that. Ben, your trades are crushing it. That's just today. And if you go back, you're just getting these, as I say, at the moment. Synergy 70 has just joined us. There we go. Please raise the invoice and Skype me. So there's people joining. The 100 spaces, which we're now at 62. All right, so there's only 38 spaces left. Will fill very quickly. So if you do want to be involved and you want to start seeing the sort of money that we're making collectively in this trading arena, then what are you waiting for? You can email me directly, ben@foreexampletrading.com, or you can join the free trading arena. You can private message me there, or just introduce yourself, say hello, and get a feel for what's going on there. Do follow our Twitter feed. You get free signals on a Monday and Wednesday until we've reached capacity, and do subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already, and you'll keep up to date with these videos, which I'm going to be putting out on a daily basis at least. We may be putting a couple out. Remember, no free signals tomorrow. It's a Monday and Wednesday. If we haven't filled the trading arena to capacity by the end of this week, then next Monday and Wednesday you will get free signals. But let's be honest with you, if you've got £249 to make £2 in a couple of days, then it's well worth that investment. But I'll leave that up to you. I look forward to speaking to you very soon. I'll be back tomorrow.